Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. So today we are installing this U-Part wig. It is a unit I have not worn in several years. So we are going to be installing that in this video today. I'm really excited about this because I haven't done a U-Part wig in a while. And I really just remember how much I enjoyed them and how much they were so convenient to me, because I didn't have to worry about doing too much of a braid down process. I literally, you'll see in this video, did 2 braids and I clipped the wig in. So definitely, I hope you guys enjoy this video. In the description box below, I will put a link to share with you guys the type of cap I use to make this U-Part wig, because it is definitely different than your normal cap that you normally use when you're making like a frontal wig or a closure style wig. So I definitely will include that in the description box below. But guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so for this first step here, I have sectioned off my hair, the hair that I want to leave out, and then what I'm going to do for the rest of the hair is just braid 2 regular braids just to lay my hair flat. So I'm going to section it off into sections and I'm going to braid it down so that I can apply my wig. It's a U-Part wig I made. It has 2, 4, 6 clips in here. This wig is different because this is the kind that also includes the adjustable straps in it. So when I made this wig, I also put a extra track between the two, just to help it lay flat. This is an old wig. Before I tell you guys, put in the comment section below, how old do you think this wig is?
5 hours later.
This wig is about 5 years old. That's right, 5 years old. And the hair I purchased from, at the time it was called the Beauty Encounter, but now it is called Tiffany Lachey Hair. She sells hair, and this hair is good quality. If you take care of hair in general, it will last long. So if you take care of your hair, it will last. So this is the hair and we're going to install it. I really didn't do too much with the braids. I just did 2 braids now because normally it would clip it. Like if I wanted to be really detailed and secure, I would do a perimeter braid and all that good stuff. But this is really just for today and for this video purposes only. So no point of doing too much. But you can definitely design it or do it to your comfort zone and like it. These are the snap clips. So it gives you more security. So on the side here, I have the snap clips. Here gives you more security. And then on the bottom, I just have the comb clips. So let's go ahead and put this on. see. Yeah. I can just pin something down. Okay. That's how we looking. This piece looks in my face. So before I style my real hair, let's go ahead and style the actual weave. So I'm gonna get ready to style that. So we're gonna style that first before we style and lay down the natural hair. To do this look, I'm only going to use 2 products and I hope they work. If not, we may incorporate more, but I'm going in with my Gots to Be style gel and my Cara wax stick to lay my hair down. One thing I would tell anybody when you're doing this style, please make sure you start with clean and fresh hair. I had just took my hair out of a ponytail, and honestly guys, I don't really like washing my hair, just to let you guys know. So I just kept it moving, and it ain't gonna hurt nobody or kill nobody. So we're gonna go ahead and style this hair, but just letting you guys know, as you can see in the beginning of the video, it worked itself out. So everything is at your own preference. So let's get into it. So because this part won't be seen and I want this part to be really laid flat and, you know, tight too, I'm going to get a rubber band and brush my hair into a ponytail and tuck it under the hair. Now you don't have to do this if your hair lays flat, but I'm just trying to assure and present the look that I want, the desired look. So I'm going to brush it down. Then I'll go in with the Barbie pin, and I'm just going to pin it down and go directly. I think I'm going to do more than one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then since I done did that, I'm about to take this, lift this, and that one, tuck it under there, pull the clip back over. Oh, some things be hard to pop. Golly. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now I know some people may be concerned since it's like that, how are you, but because we're going to cover it with the hair that's in the pink clip, I'm not really worried about, yeah, there we go. Not too worried about the rest. I forgot how good this color was. This is pretty. Nail broke. Oh, it broke directly in half. Luckily my nail is still saved. Oh gosh. Just checking a few things before I lay the top part, because that's gonna be the last piece. Okay, so we are ready to do the top part, and I'm just going to little section it off. Yeah, it's a smoke. If my hair is smoking from them products that's on my hair. Again, guys, don't do what I do. Do this with clean hair. That's all you gotta do. Okay, look at me. Look at that. Look at that. Look at you. Okay. No pain. No. I really use a different highlighter this time, and it's making me look wet, and I'm like that. Yeah, I don't like the way that look. So you can't even tell that I pulled it. Well, hold on. You honestly can't tell that I pulled it back unless you're in my head, and there's no reason why anyone should be in my head but myself. So yeah. I would definitely, I forgot how much I used to love this little wig. This is when I first started making wigs, and I started with a U-Part wig, and I was like, thought I was doing something. Now, girl, you done changed the game, girl. Oh no, I don't want that to be laid down. Oh yes, look at that. I love a good balance, baby. Let's go get dressed. Come back. I may lay this down some more with the Care wax. And we're going to just regroup one time. Okay. All right, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.